Yeah, yeah. Guys, hello guys. Now I'll be teaching you how to use this sniper software, how to use it to trade, how to use it to get a good signal. So now let me explain some things you need to look after before you took trade. Are you getting me? Yeah. Now after the software has been installed on your system, there are some things you need to look for before you take your trade. Like we focus on the support and the resistance. Are you getting me? We focus on the support and the resistance. And what are the things that qualify the support and resistance? Like this, like unlike this red uh red triangle at this top right there, like this triangle up there, like this triangle here is a resistance. You getting it? It is a resistance. So we take our trade from a resistance or from a support. So our mainly focus is to see the yellow arrow and the blue arrow. That is our main focus from taking trade from either the support or from the resistance. So this is a resistance level from the red triangle up there. You getting me? This triangle up here, this triangle up here is a proven resistance. You can see it here. A proven resistance. You can see it up there. The proven resistance is more stronger than the verified resistance. The verified resistance can be broken easily. Price can just come here and broke the verified resistance easily, but the proven resistance, it is hardly for the price to break the proven resistance. Though we used to take trade from the verified resistance too, but when you catch a trade from the proven resistance like this with the two arrow coming out, the yellow and the blue arrow, just make sure that you are in profit. We are in profit because once I saw the yellow arrow coming out here and again it comes out here from a proven resistance, then I would have taken my trade here. I would have taken my trade here or here that I'm selling. Assuming I have sold here. Look at how the market goes down. Look at how the market goes down. Look at the market goes down. You will have taken your profit away from here, or you took it away from here. You took it away from here. Anytime you see the yellow and the blue arrow coming out, that means the direction of the market has changed. It is no more a downtrend again. It has changed from a downtrend to a uptrend because we have another yellow and blue arrow here. Are you getting me, guys? It is very simple. We just focus on the arrow. We focus mainly on the arrow. And if you want to use a time frame, use a time frame from like 1 hour or 4 hour or daily chart. 1 hour, 4 hour daily chart. Yes, you can use that. And you can also use the 30 minutes as well. But for those of you that love skipping very well, you can use it from 15 minutes to daily chart. You can use it from 15 minutes, 30 minutes, 1 hour, 4 hour daily chart. Are you getting me? You can use it, but there are some confirmation that you will need to see, like maybe you want to take a trade from okay, let me show you some sample here. I think I saw something that, okay, now let me explain something for you here. This is a 1 hour chart, right? This is a 1 hour chart. You can see the yellow and the blue arrow. You can see them coming out here. That means this is giving you a sell signal. sell signal. Now when you go on 30-minute time frame, 30-minute time frame, can you see this is a, can you see that this trade is from a resistance area? No, it's a verified resistance area. Look at the yellow arrow, look at the blue arrow. Are you getting me? So if you want to take trade from 1 hour time frame, are you getting me? Assuming you want to take this sell signal from a 1 hour time frame, you can go to 30 minutes and check. Maybe the 2 arrow has showed. Are you getting me? Because the 2 arrow will show in 30 minutes before it shows on 1 hour, then before it shows on 4 hour, before it shows on daily chart. That, I hope you understand what I'm trying to explain here. Like the 30 minutes now, these 2 arrow will firstly show on 30 minutes. Are you getting me? So after the market has moved down a little bit again, when you go on 4 hour again, it will show 4 hour. Then when the market has moved down very well again, it will show on 4 hours. So you can easily confirm your confirmation. If you want to enter on 1 hour, on 1 hour, and the trade is, the price is only showing the yellow arrow, but the blue arrow is not yet to come out, you can go on 1 hour to check what's going on. If the blue arrow out, okay, the blue arrow is up, then okay, let me take my trade. Let me take at least 30 minutes is giving me a confirmation for sell trade, because the 2 arrows are shown. Okay, let me take a sell trade for here. Then when the price has moved down a little bit, you just see that the blue arrow has also come out here. Then that means you have your trade in confirmation. You have been in profit by then. It is simple. Like this. Now this is a support area. Can you see it? The price comes from the support area, which is showing the yellow and the blue arrow. You can see the blue arrow and the yellow arrow comes from a support area. And you should have taken your buy setup here before the trend change to a sell again. Are you getting it? So mainly focus now. Mainly what you should be focusing on is the yellow and the blue arrow coming from either the support or from the resistance. I hope you get me, guys. You can just check on any pair. You can see the blue and the yellow arrow from the support. Then you just take your buy. That the way the market runs up. You just need patience. You need to be patient for the arrows to come out before you take your trade. Then just go to any pair. You see what I'm talking about. If the 2 arrow is not coming out, don't take your trade. Now look at this 4 hour chart. Look at this this is from a proven resistance, but the arrow is not yet showing here. But you can see here, this is a support area. Though the green triangle is not coming out here, but you can see it is from a support area here. It is from a support area. Look at the yellow and the blue arrow, the two coming and pointing up, that they are going on the buy sell. Look at how the market went up to the resistance area. So now here, you should be anticipating for a sell signal here, because this is a resistance area, a proven resistance area, which is very strong for the market to break it. Are you getting it? You can go on 1 hour. Can you see the 1 hour is already even giving you a yellow arrow? Do you see what I was saying the other time? You can see the arrow is already coming out on 1 hour, but nothing yet is coming out on 4 hours. Can you see? That means this 1 hour is giving you confirmation on 4 hours that it is 90% that this trade is going down. This trade is going down. You can, if you check on 30 minutes, possibly the 2 hour will have come out. Can you see what I'm saying? Can you see what I'm saying? The 2 hour is already coming out on 30 minutes, which means if you have taken your trade from here on 30 minutes, then you just go to the 4 hour. You will have your arrow, your trade should have been entered from here, even without you seeing any arrow. But the 30 minutes has already given you a confirmation of sell because of this 2 hour has come out in 30 minutes. You have confirmed your sell on 30 minutes. Are you getting me? So just go to 4 hour and pick your sell trade. Then with times when the market runs down, the 2 arrow will also come out here. Are you getting me? If you wait for the 2 arrow to come out here on 4 hour, the market will have run down to exactly like this point before the 2 arrow comes out. So for you not to miss the sell trade, that's why you confirm your trade on either 1 hour or 30 minutes, making sure the 2 arrow has come out before you take your trade. And don't trade against the trend. That is also one of the most important things. What I mean by don't trade against the trend is that maybe this signal is giving you a sell signal. Are you getting me? You now went to like 15 minutes, you are not looking for a buy signal. You are not looking for a buy signal here when the arrow is still giving you a sell signal trade. Don't trade against the trend. Don't trade against the trend, please. Don't trade. It is very important. Don't trade against the trend. Now this trend is about to change to a sell trend. Don't go on 30-minute time frame and be looking for a buy signal, because you will lose all your money. If you are looking for a buy signal here, you will lose all your money, because the trade is possibly coming down back to the support area here. The trade is possibly coming back here before it make any reverse back up. So it's quite easy. When you understand the support area and the resistance area, and you just wait for your 2 arrow to come out before you take your trade. It's very simple. It's very simple. So I think that's all what I have for now for you. So if you want to set your trade, when I connect you with the team viewer, I'll set up your trade for you on how you add the software to each pair. I will teach you about that. Okay, let me show you about that. Assuming I am setting up your trade for you, there is a template that I will save for you. A template. Are you getting me? So the template the template will be named the Sodfx sniper. So when you open any trade, when you open any pair, you click on chat window, then you just go to you right click, then you go to the template and click on the Sodfx sniper. Then the software will overwrite the chart. Are you getting me? So that's how you have your software after the installation of everything. So thank you guys. This video will be on the private channel on YouTube for those of you that are my mentees for this software. So you can click on the subscribe button for this on the YouTube channel for you to have a more useful video from the YouTube channel. Thank you very well. Thank you much. See you again. Thank you.